Glenn Page. I'm the Policy and Public Affairs Manager at Macmillan Cancer Support, and our exhibition is looking at the Bwthyn NGS Macmillan Specialist Palliative Care Unit, which is, as it sounds, is a specialist palliative care unit attached to the Royal Glamorgan Hospital. It's our biggest build in Wales to date, and it's in putting it together, you know, we brought together architects and artists who worked with staff, income staff, and above all else worked with the patients at Bwthyn to co-create a space and design from the inception, really, a place that was warm, caring and welcoming as an environment to give people the best possible care, whether or not they have cancer or other conditions. What we hope to do with this exhibition is to showcase and to celebrate all of the work that has gone in to achieving the Bwthyn that we see today, and that's the work of the architects, the artists, the staff, and above all else of the patients too, who are involved in this project from design to delivery, really, and you can see that throughout. So the exhibition takes us through all of those stages. We look at how we worked with the architects in designing the building, and you know, you really have to see it to believe it. We're talking about a specialist palliative care unit that is incredibly open, is a warm and caring environment, and the attention to detail is incredible, really, whether or not that's, you know, the individual photographs that people can choose to have displayed in their rooms, or their ability to throw open the doors and let the sunshine come straight into the room. You know, these are little details that go a really long way. And we're launching this exhibition to coincide with Dying Matters Week, and we really want to start a conversation about how we can ensure that people at the end of life in Wales get the best possible care that they can.